So for those of us who are fairly familiar with trig, the thing that really is confusing about this question is all this information here. Now, let's say that weren't there. How would I approach this problem? Well, from theta, we know the opposite side. The one across from the right angle is always the hypotenuse, so by default, we'll call this one the adjacent side. And if ever you forget what SOHCAHTOA is, what those letters represent, we can go to our program, we'll wrap around by pressing up, we'll go into trig, and we see what SOHCAHTOA represents. So which trigonometric function relates the opposite and adjacent sides? That's tangent. So we're going to say tangent from theta is opposite over adjacent. Now what you would do at this point to get theta by itself is you do inverse tan. So theta is going to be equal to inverse tan of 84 over 432. Now to give you a visual of why that is, to undo tan you can't divide by tan, but you can inverse tan, and anything you do to one side you do to the other. And so that's why we have inverse tan of 84 over 432. So let's go ahead and type that in by pressing second tan, 84 over 432. You don't have to close the parenthesis, and we get this answer here. They want it to the nearest tenth. The 10th place is right here. We look to the right of it. A 0 says stay, so our answer is 11.0. Now that might look familiar here. You're seeing, oh, I see an 11.0 here, whereas these are 11.2 and 78.8. The idea of it being equal to 0.2, because if you do 84 divided by 432, you get about 0.2. And they wanted to see if you knew which trigonometric function related those two sides. Since it's tangent, the angle from tangent would be 11.0.